Welcome to another video, everyone. Today we've got another Rough Rider, this time from the Working Man Pocket Knives with Pocket Clips series. Got a fantastic box, and specifically we're looking at model number 1958. Nice magnetic box with and it came wrapped in plastic. The knife itself is a Stockman, and not a traditional Stockman by the looks of it. I mean, we've seen that we've got 3 back spins here because the main blade, which is a clip point, nice clip point blade, is actually a lock blade. And when I say not a traditional Stockman, in a sense, because our 2 secondary blades, first of all, are at the bottom of the knife from the main blade. Normally you got your sheep's foot blade also on the top here, sharing a spring with a spay blade. But let me point out, this spay blade is not a spay blade in a traditional sense. We've got a smaller clip point blade on its own spring. And as mentioned before, on the bottom part we've got a nice sheep's foot blade. Yeah, so this is different to traditional Stockmans in that both the 2 smaller secondary blades are at the bottom of the frame. Normally these 2 blades, the sheep's foot would be on top here and it would share one spin on the back here. But this is now a 3-layer one. And we see we got a beautiful stainless steel clip here. Oh, there we go, Rough Rider. I wasn't too sure if that I would like this pocket clip. I'll tell you what, the main reason why I wanted this knife was these green bone handles. Just look at this, of the richness of the green dye on these bone handles there. It's absolutely fantastic. Nickel silver bolsters. All 3 blades are 440 stainless steel. And yeah, we've got brass liners in here as well. If we can get it to focus nicely. Yeah, there we go. Brass liners, stainless steel back springs. And this is my first Stockman. I'll tell you what, I've actually been carrying this in my pocket quite a lot since I received it, and I'm just absolutely loving it. This pocket clip is useful because it helps keep it nicely in my pocket without it putting like this in it. But yeah, let's take another look at these blades. So once again, normal Stockman, we've got our clip point blade here with the RR logo, and on the back here we got our model number RR1958, made in China, 440 razor sharp steel. And yeah, as with any, that was a double paper, they just cut through like anything. So yeah, very nice clip point. I like the fact that on this Stockman the main blade locks. Not too sure, but you'd think that this would be a spay, but I don't think it is. Or is it a spay? It was advertised as a small clip, but it's actually got too much of a point to be a spay. But otherwise, okay, let's say that we've got a smaller clip point blade on this model. Nice RR10 stamp on there. And the third blade on our Stockman is nice sheep's foot blade. Should be nice and useful. So yeah, so this is nearly 10 centimeters closed length, and once again you just got to admire these green bone handles. I mean, the pins are flush, nickel silver bolsters, and even this pocket clip is actually pretty rad. You can switch it around to this side. I've just kept it in the position that I have received it. And yeah, so this is the Working Man Stockman. I still can't get over this color green. It's such a deep green that I really like it. So so stay tuned for some more videos. And next up, we've got some close-up photos of this beautiful knife, and stay tuned for some more knife reviews, as well as long-term reviews of knives that I've shown before. Until then, have an awesome day.